Moving to a new community can be scary and daunting. Picture talking with someone and they are constantly looking over your shoulder. You recall that, right? They are pretending to be engaged, but clearly not hearing what you have to say. I remember moving to a new community. It was a lost and lonely feeling. Being a newcomer in town, every introduction meant something. I was longing and hungry to make new friends. But that feeling was not necessarily reciprocated. I remember meeting Betty for the second time. You know those moments in which you can remember exactly where you were standing, what you were wearing, and a defined feeling in the room. It is a snapshot in your mind. You know what I'm talking about, right? That snapshot is still in my mind with Betty. In our conversation, she was not into what I was saying, maybe for good reason. Nevertheless, she was continuously looking past me to see who was coming in the door. The conversation was lagging. She was not interested in getting to know me, and I knew it. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. In looking at philanthropy, I relate this story to how fundraisers often forget about their current donors. Metaphorically, your most loyal donors unseen standing right in front of you. At times, loyal donors are overlooked while fundraisers search frantically for new donors. Here's the thing, donors, especially major donors, are testing you to see how you treat them. And as important, how you use their funds to advance a cause they are passionate about. During this pandemic, one of the most important fundraising strategies is to love the donors you have. All donors, but especially your most loyal major donors. Here's why. First, your most loyal donors have already told you they love you. If a donor parts with their hard-earned or family funds, they did not make that decision on a whim. They believe in you, the leadership of the organization, and believe deeply in the cause. They have told you so with their pocketbook. Second, your most loyal donors have more to give. Donors with the means to give are passionate about the work you do and have a giving heart are your major donors. They, like all donors, start off with smaller gifts to see how they and their gift is received. Think of it this way. Have you ever bought someone a present and they responded with nothing more than a casual thank you or smile? Or worse, no response. You've experienced that, right? On the flip side, no doubt it feels super when someone responds with exuberance, with, oh my gosh, where did you find this? How did you know? Or I can't believe you remembered. That same feeling you have when someone responds enthusiastically to a gift you give is the same feeling you want to give to your donors because you value your donors, and donors have more to give. Last, your most loyal donors step up in a crisis. Get this, the Chronicle of Philanthropy recently reported giving was up 7.5% in the first half of 2020. Incredible! That's based on results from the widely recognized Fundraising Effectiveness Project. In the article, a committee member goes on to say, one of the most important things charities can do now is to build strong relationships with their supporters and encourage existing donors to continue to give when they can. By all means, don't overlook your most loyal donors. In summary, donors are stepping up and giving in this crisis. The numbers are out. And we also know that this time from Thanksgiving to New Year's Eve is an important time of year for philanthropists and for nonprofits. It's the giving season. So now that we know giving is up during this crisis, get your fingers ready to make personal calls to your most loyal donors. Call those you have not heard from yet, or maybe have more to give. Don't forget to grab your free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template here. See you next time. Bye for now.